Right, so recording. Yeah, good day, all of you. And this is Sriya Kilambi. I'm the founder and CEO of Sriya AI, a deep tech AI company in Atlanta. I have two of my colleagues, Stephen Howell, who is the co-founder and the chief operations officer, and Dr. Bala Punjab, who is our venture partner and an expert in industrial operations accuracy. In AI Square, it is to go beyond and actually give improvements. So let me talk about why we brought in AI Square, first of all. Okay, so again, I'll talk about the two most important categories of AI ML, namely the standard AI. Hold on a second. Yeah, the standard AI ML. The standard AI ML is fantastic when it works, right? But a majority of the times it doesn't, because the features are too many, or the data is too small or too big. The features are too interwoven, interdependent. So what happens is that the models break down. There's a big distinction between models and algorithms. The algorithms like XGBoost, random forest, they work. Nothing is wrong with them. The problem lies in the model creation and how the model represents the data and the outcome. If the model doesn't represent the data and the outcome, then it fails. One more reason it fails is because there's too many features. A human brain has a tough time understanding 3 dimensions. Forget about 30. So if you have 30, 40, 50 features, even if the model has come back with a great answer, we're not able to find it. That's what happens. Oh, where is it? I can't find it. There's just too many trends here. So again, people back to square one. Then comes Gen AI. Gen AI is not a substitute for predictive AI. It's very different. So Gen AI is basically using large language models, NLP, understanding whatever is available in the World Wide Web, all over the world, and try to come up with the best answer to your question. Okay? And it is supposed to give you the best answer based on everything available. And it's supposed to create content on demand. So you could ask, like, it's supposed to write a code, edit a code, write a business plan, marketing plan. Fantastic. It works beautifully in those things. However, it has got a couple of, I would say, shortcomings. One is it doesn't work on much of numerical data. You put number 10, what can LLM say about 10? 10 is 10. 10 is not 9, 10 is not 11. There is no room for any discussion there. So if you put 10, it comes back as 10. You put 20, it comes back as 20. So that's one big, I think, limitation is that it doesn't work much. It's a natural language processing technology. It's not for alphanumerical, and most business applications are largely alphanumerical. We have done. So if you look at supply chain, eliminate all those 30 into one super feature, something like a credit score. How easy it is to understand a credit score. So anything over 780, 800, fantastic. Close your eyes, give the person a loan. Anything below 550, forget. Don't even bother. It will default. Between 550 and 750 is a work in progress. It's very clear. Rather than how many loans did he take or she took, how much did they default, what is the payment balances, all those features go towards the credit score. But the one number, it has a 3-step methodology called score, correlate, improve. So the first step is scoring, and it's not a simple score. It's a huge, it's about 8 to 10 machine learning models working in tandem. And it's called, there's a base, there's a composite, there's reinforcement learning, there is Gen AI. Everything comes together to form SXI, which is a score. So, okay, you got a score, big deal. How can I use it, right? I mean, is it worth it? I mean, what do I do with it? So the next step is to correlate it to an outcome, which is what we have done. Is the outcome, it could be like improvement in energy efficiency, reduction in machine downtime, increase in product yield. So it's basically linked to an outcome. And you see, so once the correlation is strong, positive or negative, this score actually now becomes a tunable, I use the word tunable, proxy to a non-tunable outcome.